Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what you can see from, I'll tell you from the beginning that how's the price of moving from 24 till 2011. We have seen a bull run. After that particular hit of $50, more than $50, we have seen a downtrend, and that is still a level of, you can say, $13.5. After that we have seen a range, and after this range break upside we have seen this particular range. Okay, this is from 2004. I explained you before that. Before move forward, if you have any doubt regarding silver or any other commodities, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in silver or other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Okay, and please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical works. Okay, now look at the chart. If you look at the chart, you can see a U pattern is forming here. Okay, and what U pattern says that it is keep hitting the resistance level, more upside and more upside. Okay, so now what you can see, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further to a level of 26.117, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can move to a level of 26.710. okay, and from there we can see it can move further towards a level of 27. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 27.541, and from there we can see it can move further higher to a level of 27.897. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 28.490, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 28.846. again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of 25.856, and suppose if it that level also sustain, then we can see a level of 26.090. okay, so suppose if this particular level also sustain, then because, and these levels are already being tested here. okay, which level? 26.105. so if the price goes above a level of 26.856, we can say if this particular level sustain, we can see it can touch a level of 25.10. okay, and this level is already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can move to a level of further high towards a level of 27. 27 point, it can move further high to a level of 27.430. okay, and suppose if that particular level also sustain, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 27.76. okay, and from there we can see it can move further upside if this particular level sustain. That means if it sustain a level of 27.430, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 27.926, and from there we can see it can move further high to a level of 28.506 also. So suppose if this price sustain, then we can see it can move further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 25.525, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can move further low to a level of 24.945. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 24.697, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 23.538. I repeat, if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can come down to a level of 25.442, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 24.945. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 23.538, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 22.710. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can fall further and can touch a level of 22.130. any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. And understand one thing, if you are investing for a longer view, is a good thing. Please consult with your financial advisor before you invest. But if you are trading, you have to understand that 99% most of the person lose money in the trading thing. okay, because it is risky. okay, and you have to follow certain rules in order to be profitable in the trading. So what you have to do is, I teach in my workshop what all you can do. Okay, now understand one thing. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, suppose you are trading with $10,000, okay, and once this particular, so what you have to do is you have to use 10 to 15% of capital per trade, or you can use less, okay, as per if you are a beginner, advanced, or other levels. Okay, so now if you trade 5 times a day, your risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is around $50 to $100, and per trade will be $1,000 to $1,500. So suppose if the price, if you lose even 5 times, then you know risk is $500, per trade 100. Okay, so next day, suppose if you lose even 5 times on that particular trades, you know the risk is $500, and you can trade easily on the next day, because you will not be in a mindset of recovering the loss. What most people do is they keep on recovering, they keep on focusing more on recovering, which in turn do their capital wipe out. Okay, they did not set the limit for the risk. That is very important. Okay, this is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend my workshop, you can mail me regarding this. So hope you like the video, and if you like, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.